Okay, quick disclaimer about this video. It was filmed several months ago, long before COVID-19 had forced the world into complete lockdown. You'll notice us with large groups of people. After leaving Hanoi, we drove up to Tam Coc, Vietnam, in the more commonly known Ninh Binh province. Surprisingly, it was one of our favorite areas in the country. You wouldn't expect an interior location to have such dramatic landscapes. We stayed at the Tam Kok Wonderland bungalow, which was run by a sweet, multi-generational family who were so incredibly welcoming. First up on our activity list was a riverboat tour out of the nearby town of Trang An. This was for sure a highlight of our trip, one of the most scenic tours we've ever done. What are we doing today?
On a boat ride.
Where are we?
Trang An?
Looking at some cool scenery?
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
Honey, are you saying hi? Whoa, duck, 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 duck. This is how Hudson is enjoying the boat ride. Oh. Are you on a turtle? Yeah. Next on our agenda was a hike up the Hang Mua Lying Dragon Mountain. For a mere $4, you can hike up the 500 steps to the top, but it was totally worth it for the views. What did you think?
A lot of steps.
Honey, what did you think?
It was easy.
Oh yeah, what did you think, honey?
It was easy coming down.
Yeah.
Easier coming down than going up, that's for sure. But it's beautiful, very picturesque.
What do you got there, buddy? Balls? We even managed to get in a little afternoon bike ride around the neighborhood. How nice it was having grandparents around for a bit. If you liked this video, please subscribe and join us next time as we explore Sapa, Vietnam. Thanks for watching.